Everyone, and a cordial welcome to the honored guests, sisters, teachers, parents, well-wishers, and our little stars for today, our kindergarten graduates. Congratulations on your big day. There is a promise from the Bible, plans to give you hope and the future. Till now, you learned new words, explored new numbers, tested colors, giggled, smiled, cried, and grown in so many wonderful ways. So as you step into the world, stay blessed, dream big, and be fantastic. Now I request an Agmani teacher to lead us into hope.
Good morning, respected sir, respected sisters. Now our UKG graduates are going to take pledge. Graduation pledge. To be my best. What I do will make a difference in my life. My choices will affect me and those around me. I will listen. I will follow directions. I will be honest. I will respect the rights of others. I will learn something today because today matters.
one and all, and a charming welcome to each and everyone gathered here. The Lord blesses those who do it with earnest heart, as it is indeed a true proverb fulfilled with all the good and innocent hearts among us. Today, we gather here to celebrate the achievements and success of our bright young minds, our little kindergarten students' graduation ceremony. Graduation day culminates hard work and sincerity. The goal of education is the advancement of knowledge. Our graduates started the journey with little steps, holding hands with one another. It feels like yesterday they have started the journey and now ready to step into primary school. They look so cute in the tiny graduation dresses. I congratulate all the little masterminds and all the very best for your bright future. I thank the management for giving me an opportunity to share a few words about graduation. And now I invite the Masters of Ceremonies, Dhanusri and Shahul, to commence the program. Thank you.
Hello Shahul, are you excited about today's program?
Hi Dhanusri, of course, I am bursting out with excitement. Shall we start the program?
Oh, yes. Good morning to one and all.
A very good morning to all the dignitaries, sisters, teachers, parents, well-wishers, the people behind the curtain, and our dear Kitty kindergarten graduates.
A child without education is like a bird without wings. Our graduates are in an excitement to stretch their wings. 2 years, you studied hard, jump to the corners, and learn new things. Now, it is a time to rejoice. But before we move into the program, let us invoke the divine blessings for a successful event presenting a beautiful prayer dance by our talented 9th class dance troupe.
హృదయము ఉల్లసించి గొంతెత్తి పాడా ప్రియమైన భావాలే మనసు నిండగా పొలకించిన తనువు నాట్యము చేసి పొలకించిన తనువు నాట్యము చేసి ప్రియమైన నీ కొరకై వేచియున్నది ప్రియమైన నీ కొరకై వేచియున్నది
ధిరన ధిరన తోం తోం తాంగిడి గడకు తోం 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 తాంగిడి గడకు తోం తోం
స్వాగతం 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 మహాస్వాగతం.
Prayer, Bible reading, and followed by a sweet prayer song.
In heaven, our Father in heaven, hallowed be your name. Hallowed be your name. A kingdom come. A kingdom come. A will be done. A will be done. On earth as we in heaven. As we in heaven. Give us today. Give us today. A daily bread. A daily bread. is taken from Psalms 126 verse 3. The Lord has done great things for us and we rejoice. Amen. I got to let it shine. This is the lightning light of mine. I got to let it shine. This is the lightning light of mine. I got to let it shine. Shine all the time. Let it shine. I did the rainbow shine. I'm gonna let it shine. I need coloring push no. I got to let it shine. I need coloring push no. I got to let it shine all the time. Let it shine. Take this in the light round the world. I got to let it shine. Take this in the light round the world. I got to let it shine. Take this in the light round the world. I got to let it shine all the time. Let it shine.
Lost in the rhythm. Our 9th class students are going to present a welcome dance.
स्वागत में आपके फूल बिछे नाचे गाए हर्ष मनाए नाचे गाए हर्ष मनाए आने से आपके खिलौटा आंगन से स्वागतम आई रौनक आंगन में
Unity and prosperity. Thank you for your graceful performance.
Today is a special day for our popular pops as they have grown, learned and achieved so much. From mastering ABCs to making new friends, it has been worth celebrating. To make this a memorable day, we have with us renowned personalities to bless our dear ones.
I now invite Yashaswini
Michelle Barsa, Sister Theresa, our correspondent, Sister Teresa, and our principal, Sister Gina Xavier, to grace the chairs on stage. Put your hands together for our esteemed guests. Let's give them a big round of applause.
But also the joy of learning, blooming of curious juvenile minds of our popsicles. First of all, we thank the Almighty for granting us such a pleasant atmosphere to commemorate the graduation of our budding brains.
Of inviting a tremendous keeping and protecting the law in our town, Mr. Kasturi Nath Garu. He is born to parents Adi Lakshmi and Venkateshwarla Garu and attained degrees of MA, Journalism and LLB. He is blessed with 2 children. He is the former student of our school and the president of alumni. At present, he practices as an advocate in Chirala. Sir, your knowledge and skills inspire the students to discover new world through learning. We look forward to enrich the time with you, in your company. With a cheerful smile, I once again extend a joyful welcome to our chief guest, Mr. Kasturi Nath Garu, to this extraordinary gathering. Now, I invite our teachers, Mr. Suresh, to felicitate Sir with a shawl, Mrs. Nirmala to present a sapling, and Bhagyaraj to present a memento. Thank you, sir.
Is the best welcome. With a humble smile, I take the honor of extending a cordial welcome to our provincial secretary and also our former principal, Sister Anselin, to this Munchkins gathering. Sister is gentle, compassionate, an educator and a good singer. Your brilliance set the standard to master oneself, and your presence here is a testament to your commitment to the public service. We are truly honored to have you here and look forward for your insights and guidance. Thank you for gracing the occasion with your esteemed presence. Now, I invite our teachers, Mrs. Nirmala and Mrs. Ravya, to felicitate sister.
Sister Mary Rajni to this spectacular event. We appreciate the important role you play in ensuring efficiency and sustainability in the realm of financial figures. We feel proud to have you amidst us, and we hope a wonderful merry time along with the fancy pants. We welcome you, sister. Now I call upon our teachers, Mrs. Basanti and Miss Joshna, to honor sister.
Welcoming a former provincial bursar, Sister Teresa, to this unique gathering. Sister, your passion, discipline, focus and hard work resulted in stability of the society. We appreciate your stewardship and accountability towards the society, and we look forward to your perspective ideals. Once again, we welcome you, sister, and to honor sister, I call upon our teachers, Mrs. Vidya and Miss Nilima, to present the honors. Thank you, sister.
Thank you, sister. I extend who inspires children to come up in life with the flying colors. Ever ready things for happen. We welcome you, sister, to this school gathering. And to felicitate sister, I call upon our teacher, Mrs. Vajralu, to present a sapling. Thank you, sister.
Let our principal, Sister Gina Xavier, whose cohesive nature and compassion rob the hearts and fasten to achieve greatness. We welcome you, sister. I would like to welcome Sister Sangeeta to this toddler street.
I take the favor of welcoming our dedicated and dearly beloved teachers who are the architects and supporters of our KG kids. Your hard work and sacrifices are uncountable. Your patience and nurturing guidance have sown the seeds of knowledge. We welcome you all. I welcome all the non-teaching staff, parents and well-wishers to this momentous day. You are instrumental in shaping the children's education at the foundation level. Thank you for your encouragement. We welcome you all to this proud day.
The least, our sweet little budding blooms, our tiny graduates. We welcome you all to this stupendous day. We are over the moon for you and cheers on your big achievement. 1,000 little steps lead to one big day. Congrats on your big day. We welcome you all once again. Thank you. Thank you one and all.
Let's take a moment to express our heartfelt gratitude to our honored guests for gracing the occasion. Please, we truly appreciate your support in time, and now I request to take your seat.
Our mind softens our heart, sways our emotions. Our choir is going to play an wishing song for our talented toddlers.
to pursue them. To set the stage rocking, we now invite our UKG teacher, Mrs. Revati, to read out the names of UKGA section students. And we request our chief guest, Mr. Kasturinath Garu, to distribute the certificates and mementos.
Today I feel highly delighted to call upon my students onto the dais on this graduation day. Now I call upon Ayan Sheikh. Good morning. Come along with parents. Advait Sri Chand. Advait Sri Chand. Advait Sri Chand. Akshaya. Anviya. Bharatram. Dasan. Dasan. Girish Manikand. Girish Manikand. Bharatram. Girish Manikanda. Come. Graneshwari. Hadassa. Hadassa. Hanvita. ఎవరు ఉంచు నేను తీసుకో హీరా Hitesh Vardhan. Idan Praman. Hiyansh Reddy. Hiyansh Reddy. Jasmine. Juvan Nived. Lasyasri. Kamna. Laukya Sai. Mahidhar Naidu.
Dear parents, now see only UKG
Nishita Sanvi. Nihita and Nihant. Nikita Priyadarshini. Nikshit. Rian Babu. తీసుకెళ్ళాలంటే వెళ్ళచ్చు. Sherlyn. Sir. Welcome, sir. Zunaira. Sahasra. Sanaya. Sanvita. Shanmukh. Shanvika. Sneh Babu. లేదా బయట పేరు శ్రేష్ఠ జోని. సుదీప్ క్రాంతి. Vedansh. Susan. Vehant Sai. Venela. Vignasri Sai Pratika. Vihana. Vishan. Junaira. Junaira. Thank you.
public art to give their reflection.
My name is Riyaira from UKG section. I feel delighted to talk about my lovely school. Father William Mary is the founder of our schools. My school is the center of attraction in Chirala town. We are blessed to have a dynamic school management. We all have fun during special occasions like celebration of color days. Thank you one and all. Good morning to one and all. This is I am from UKG section. The name of my school is St. Anne's English Medium School. My teacher teaches good manners and discipline. Our school has a good infrastructure with large playground, spacious classroom like a well organized library. I am proud to be a student of St. Anne's. Thank you one and all.
Program to Shruti and Raghavendra to continue the celebrations.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You did a splendid job. Once life achievements define, the legacy one leaves behind. Now I request our chief guest, Mr. Kasturinath Garu, advocate in Chirala, to address the tiny gathering.
Sister Zina Xavier, principal, and Sister correspondent sisters who are the guests of honor from St. Anne's Provincial Home, Vijayawada, and Sister Zina Xavier, the principal of St. Anne's School, Chirala, as well as the correspondent sister of St. Anne's School, Chirala, and the honorable teachers of St. Anne's School, and the great parents of the little graduates who are present here. I wish everyone a good morning, a pleasure good morning. Today, it's a great, memorable day in my life because I am being the part, it's very glad, in this graduation ceremony. First of all, I have to introduce myself. I am the former student of this school. I have completed my 10th class, was passed out in 1996, and later on the alumni formations of all our St. Anne's schools in the entire India, they have started, and I was selected as the alumni president because I am local inhabitant. I didn't went abroad or anywhere, just I completed my post-graduation in journalism and completed a Bachelor of Laws, and I am practicing an advocate in Prakasam district as well as in Chirala hometown. I think most of the parents can identify me because I am the local inhabitant. I have not come down last night from any UK or USA for this program. I can say proudly about our school, of course my school or our school, it's a hub of multi-talent because wherever you go to any programs, we can identify easily that he is the student from the St. Anne's. Why? Because there is a difference among the students who came out from the St. Anne's and some other schools. Because the fundamental thing which we learn from the school is the communication skill, the talent, patriotism, and also the humanitarian grounds, the charity mind. Multi-talented student can easily identify he is from St. Anne's School. I can say proudly because I would like to remember a few three fundamentals said by Father of the Nation, Mahatma Gandhi. Some are born great, some are made great, some make by themselves great. These are the difference of human life. So, but the student of St. Anne's is specially empowered. Why? Because the students who studied along with me, or my juniors or my seniors, they have settled in engineering, doctors. There are bunch of doctors from St. Anne's School, engineers. But bad luck is no one is in Union Public Service Commission like IAS or IPS. But everybody did not put their view in that aspects. Immediately after completion of 10th, they will go for a doctor or MSET engineer. These are the things what happened till now. But the first batch student is Mr. V. Anil. He is the Navy officer. I think he is from Customs. Navy. Like that. You can see that what is the difference? Why? These all things, the multi-talented things will comes from the students of St. Anne's only. Because as per myself, today I became I got a chance among the seniors, the most seniors of advocates of Chirala. I am being the part of them. Even though my age is not equal to them, of course they are seniors, but I got a seat beside them. Because I can say proudly, because the enrichment, the knowledge which I secured from all my sisters and teachers from this school, I can say proudly. And also, I can say the teachers are the immediate parents of the students. Of course, the parents, mother makes all carriage and send in auto or bike or whatever it may be, car. They will leave by 9 o'clock at the school campus. Till 4 or 5, the immediate parents who act are the teachers. I am sure I need the parents of the students. The immediate parents to the students are the teachers. So, and also I love my teachers who make me and who are being to make all of you to be proud in the future. And also the non-faculty of the school are also part and parcel of the student who comes out from the St. Anne's School. And I would like congrats to the students who participated in the cultural events, a joyful moments, and make this occasion a very blissful. And also, recently the school started, it's our bad luck. We didn't complete +1, +2 here. From those days only, they are trying and they are saying +1, +2 is going to be started. But, of course, I think in this month, the foundation stone was started. The construction is going on. It's a very better present students who complete their 10th and also complete +1, +2 in the ICSE syllabus. So, I really congrats to the management, sisters, for constructing +1, +2 to make the students, to make the society in the Chirala being very proud. And also, once again, it's a great fortune in my life. Of course, no one get this type of opportunity. I got this opportunity. Really, I am a blessed one by the Almighty, no doubt at all. Really, I am the blessed one. Such a honor getting from my school to me, being the part as a chief guest. It's a great achievement. I feel so in my life, and I congrats. And I am always, I'll be, and I'll be part, and I'll do service until end my life to this St. Anne's School. Thank you, and advance happy Ugadi and Ramjan. Thank you one and all.
Let us all take a deep breath. Our 9th and LKG girls are going to give their soul-stirring dance performance. Let's welcome them.
ba-dum, bum, bum, ba-ba-bum, bum, bum.
What's going on?
Ding, ding. Crazy. Ding, ding. Bam, bam. Ding, 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 bam, bam, bam. Ding, 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 oh, oh. Ding, 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 bam, bam, bam. Ding, 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 crazy. Ding, ding.
Kite fly by and I say hi. Hello, kite. Come on and spread your wings so we can take flight. Then I fly, fly, fly like a kite. I feel strong, strong, strong as a tiger and as big, big, big as a giraffe. So high, 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 and I jump, jump, jump like a kangaroo. Swim, swim, swim. I come up to you. I take your hand if that's okay. And I say, such a beautiful day. Such a beautiful day. Such a beautiful day. Such a beautiful day. Then I fly, fly, fly like a kite. I feel strong.
It's time to acknowledge the success of UKGB students. Now I invite our teacher, Mrs. Nagamani, to call out the names of the students. We request our Provincial Secretary, Sister Anselin Joseph, to distribute the certificates and mementos.
Friends, Adya. Meira. Aldrin George. Asha. Aradhana. Adya. Aradhya. Ira Jasmine. Ira Jasmine. Barka Banu. Devansh Naidu. Ekangsh. Ishika Sharona. దక్షిత, గణదీప్ నాగశివ, హాస్య షణ్ముఖి, హేమకిల్, జస్విత, కావ్య, కలాం, కలాం, లోక్షిత, మాన్విత, మహాంత్, మదీహా సుల్తానా, మిషికా, నాగదేవి రిషిత, నీతి గ్లాడిస్, నిహాన్, నివేదిత, నివేదిత షెర్లిన్, పవన్ కృష్ణ, ప్రజ్వల్ దీప్, ప్రభుదేవ, రిషిక, రోహిణి సాయిశ్రీ, లక్ష్మీ చైత్రిక, ప్రియా, సత్య చరిష్మా, శ్రీలేఖన, స్టీఫెన్ లోక్సన్, సుహైల్, స్వర్ష్య, స్వర్ష్య, తరంగ్, శ్వేష్ట, సహృద్, సహృద్, వెరోనికా, వెరోనికా రిచర్డ్, తేజాంష్, తేజాంష్ రెడ్డి, విరాజ్ సాయి, వెంకట ఆదిత్య ఋగ్వేద్నాథ్, ఎం విహాన్, యువాన్ష్, యువాన్ష్, అక్షయ, Shrestha Joe. Thank you, sister. Thank you, dear parents, for your cooperation. Thank you, sister. Swarshya.
Sister and teacher.
There is no joy in possession without sharing. Our infant bros are ready to give out the remarks about their beautiful journey.
One and all, my name is Suvarna from UKG B session. I feel very happy to talk about my dad's school. My school run by very strong and powerful management. Our respondent name is Sister Tisa. Sister Gina Xavier is our school principal. Our beloved sisters always work together for our welfare. Thank you. A pleasant morning to one and all. I am Shrestha Joe from UKG B section. I feel honored to speak about my renowned school. My school has a glorious history. Light to enlight is my school motto. My school promotes all round developments. I shall be always great to this temple of learning. Thank you.
I invite our 9th boys and LKG Twinkling Stars to dance to your dreams and rock the stage.
देखो देखो क्या वो पेड़ है, चादर ओढ़े या खड़ा कोई। हे देखो देखो क्या वो पेड़ है, चादर ओढ़े या खड़ा कोई। बारिश है या आसमान ने छोड़ दिए हैं नल खुले कहीं। हाँ हम जैसे देखे ये जहां है वैसा ही, जैसी नजर अपनी खुल के सोचे आओ, पंख जरा फैलाओ, रंग नए बिखराओ। चलो 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 नए ख्वाब बुन ले। मस्ती में डोले, बम बम बोले, मस्ती में तू डोल रे। बम बम बोले, मस्ती में डोले, बम बम बोले, मस्ती में तू डोल।
Look who we are the dreamers, we make it happen, guess we believe it. Look who we are the dreamers, we make it happen, cause we can see it. Let's do the one that keep the passion, respect, oh yeah. Let's do the one that can imagine, respect, oh yeah. Oh,
with graceful moves.
Successful people work hard and succeed on purpose. To appreciate the success of UKGC, I request our provincial bursar, Sister Mary Rajni, to distribute the certificates and mementos, while our teacher, Mrs. Swapna Priya, bring out the names.
With your parents. Mansoor, Abdul Mansoor. Akshita. Andrew. 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 Arha. Arha. Ayush. 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 Bhavishya Nagasiva. Bhargav. Bhargav Sai Manikanta. Chetana Lasya. Chetana Lasya. Danvika. Danvika parents. Dishan. Dishan. Surya. Dola Surya Yadav. Dola Surya Yadav. Dola Surya Yadav. Dola Surya Yadav. Harsha. Ganesh. 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 Hitakshi. Hitakshi. Jahnavi absent. Jashwant Sai. Jashwant Sai. Jashwant Sai. Jayveer Yadav. Jashwita. Jashwita. Jaswita. 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 Joseph Livingston. Joseph Livingston. Joshini. Joshini Sri Mahalakshmi. Joshini Sri Mahalakshmi. Jocelyn. 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 Jyoti Sri. Jyoti Sri. Jyoti Sri. Krutika Sri Sai Yagnita. Krutika Sri Sai Yagnita. Krutika Sri Sai Yagnita. Yagnita. Krutika Manoj. Manoj Kumar. Manoj Kumar. Muhammad Umar. Muhammad Umar. Muhammad Umar. Muhammad Umar. మోక్షితా రెడ్డి, మోక్షితా రెడ్డి, మోక్షితా రెడ్డి, నిహాన్, నిహాన్, నిషిత, 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 నిషిత,
We thank our provincial bursar, Sister Mary Rajini, for your kind gesture. Please be seated, sister. And we request a former provincial to give away the mementos and certificates to
Peter Vihan, Peter Vihan, Peter Vihan, Peter Vihan, Rachana Sahasra, Rachana Sahasra, Peter Vihan, Rachana Sahasra, Rachana Sahasra, Rian Jasper, Rian Jasper, Rian Jasper, Rejoy, Rian Jasper, Rejoy, Ricky Martin, Ricky Martin, Rishit, 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 Sai Diksha, Sai Diksha, Sai Diksha, Sai Rishidhar, Rishidhar, Sai Rishidhar, Sai Varshini, Sai Varshini, Seshwan Josh, Seshwan Josh, Shanmukh Sai Vansika, Shanmukh Sai Vansika, Shrestha, 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 Siyana, Sindhu, 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 Siddiq Ahmad, Sindhu, Siddiq Ahmad, Smarana, Sivasri Smarana, Sivasri Smarana, Svecha Sujit Kumar, Svecha Sujit Kumar, Varun Tej. Varun Tej. Veda Maharshi. Veda Maharshi. Veda Maharshi. Vincent Karthik Dev. Vincent Karthik Dev. Yashvita Reddy. Yashvita Reddy. Shanvita. Shanvita. Krutika Sri Sai Yagnita. Krutika Sri Sai Yagnita. Yashvita. Nishita. Nishita. Thank you, sister.
To give out the remarks.
From UKGC, I take this opportunity to speak a few words about my school. My school has glorious history. It was established in 1983. I love my school very much. My school gives best education. School always encourages me to transform myself into a responsible citizen of my nation. Thank you. And all, this is Shrotasri from UKGC section. I feel honored to speak about my school. My school focuses on beautiful, spiritual and moral values. My school has fantastic digital learning. My teachers are very loving and caring. My school follows ICSE syllabus. I always feel proud to be a student of this highly reputed institution. Thank you.
That give force to search for a new way to stand. Ever since, our school has the legacy of innovative outcomes, creating opportunities to make life. Here are our tiny friends to focus on the new additions that are coming in the school.
Good morning to one and all. My name is Niveda Shalin from UKGB section. Good morning to one and all. My name is Jocelyn from UKGC section. We wish to share with you good news. We are constructing our new building in our campus. It will be ready by June 2026. We are happy to have a new block with all facilities. Next year, we are introducing AI and robotics. We are very happy about it. Thank you.
Wishing others help. Let us be grateful to the people who make us happy. To confess our gratitude, I call upon our UKG tweets to propose vote of thanks in an amalgamation with rhythmic moves.
Every time I'm feeling down, you pick me up. Sing, oh, oh. And when my heart is feeling empty out, you fill my cup. Sing it out now. Oh, oh. I just wanna say thank you for the way you love me. I wanna say thank you for the way you love me.
section. Let we all give our heartfelt thanks to Almighty God for this celebration. On behalf of my school, I extend really heartfelt gratitude to our Honorable Chief Guest, Mr. N. Kasturinath, who spared the time from his busiest schedule to grace the occasion. Thank you, sir, for your wonderful thoughts that will surely encourage us to move on and on. We express our deep appreciation to our beloved sisters for being a part of this spectacular event. Thank you, dear sisters, for your participation and enthusiasm.
Every time I'm feeling down, you pick me up. Sing, oh, oh. And when my heart is feeling empty out, you fill my cup. Sing it out now. Oh, oh. I just wanna say thank you for the way you love me. I wanna say thank you for the way you love me. I just wanna say thank you for the way you love me. I wanna say thank you, just wanna say thank you. Yeah! T-H-A-N-K-Y-O-U, thank you. Thank you. T-H-A-N-K-Y-O-U, thank you.
Parents, for their support, we express our heartful thanks to our loving teachers of LKG and UKG. Thank you.
Every time I'm feeling down, you pick me up. Sing, oh, oh. And when my heart is feeling empty out, you fill my cup. Sing it out now. Oh, oh. I just wanna say thank you for the way you love me. I wanna say thank you for the way you love me. I just wanna say thank you for the way you love me. I wanna say thank you, just wanna say thank you. Yeah! T-H-A-N-K-Y-O-U, thank you. Thank you. T-H-A-N-K-Y-O-U, thank you.
Good morning to respected dignitaries. I, Percy Dina from UKGC, feel delighted to thank our non-teaching staff for their timely help. Once again, we thank one and all present here. Thank you for your beautiful presence.
Every time I'm feeling down, you pick me up. Sing, oh, oh. And when my heart is feeling empty out, you fill my cup. Sing it out now. Oh, oh. I just wanna say thank you for the way you love me. I wanna say thank you for the way you love me. I just wanna say thank you for the way you love me. I wanna say thank you, just wanna say thank you. Yeah! T-H-A-N-K-Y-O-U, thank you. Thank you. T-H-A-N-K-Y-O-U, thank you.
I wish and hope all the graduates to be bright,
Be brave,
be bold,
be beautiful.
and be yourself.
Thank you one and all.